For zeroing or for that?
For zeroing.
Okay.
After that,
Hindi kasi ang ang pananaw nga ng mga taga-museo that we want, gusto rin namin ibahagi ang art sa iba-ibang in the context of art education.
Art education.
Bringing it out, yeah. So I was hearing naririnig ko kanina kung pangmahirap din ba yung art. So maybe that's the point that's why we brought it to SM because the audience there is wide. And libre ho yun.
Libre pa.
Libre pa. Libre. And then there are several programs happening during the weekend. And meron din ho kaming iba-ibang programa. And then we also invited, like for in the museum, Lopez Museum, we invited Dr. Moico, who is the ethnomusicology, who would be doing something nagkaroon siya ng mga studies on the Panay Bukidnon tribe.
Wow.
So meron silang gagawing mga performances in that area.
Alam mo, maganda yung sinabi ni Claro na ginagawa nila ito for art education.
Yes.
Malaki kasi ang kinalaman ng edukasyon at kaalaman tungkol sa sining para ma-appreciate mo ito. Right, Tita?
Because museums also play a great part in education, especially with students, because you not only learn things in school, but when you go to a museum, you learn why these things are displayed in this manner, why these objects were selected also. So I think there's a whole learning process to be gained there, and I think we become more involved citizens if you really go out of the classroom, think out of the box.
Ayun.
Totoo yan. Iba yung actual mo makikita, yung obra ng ng mga maestro,
That's
kasi
right.
drawing lang ng teacher mo.
That's true.
Yung kayo lang gumagawa.
For something in a book, it's really different when you see, let's say, painting, face to face, that you can really
yung size,
see.
yung
You see the scope, you can see that, you can appreciate its tactile appeal.
At saka yung iba't ibang ginagamit na medium, iba-ibang materyales, iba't ibang approach. At saka alam mo, dapat siguro rin matutunan din ng mga bata na irespeto nila yung artist behind the art.
Yes.
Kasi hindi kanila yun. I mean, we're just there to look at it, admire it, and understand it. Pero yung kung paano kinreate nung manlilikha itong klase ng obra niya is something to be, should be respected.
Yun nga yung maganda dun sa sa pag-aaral ng arts, like even in music, we have different forms, right? Sometimes you break off from the original form, pero you don't disrespect the form because you're trying to reinvent something para ka makapag-contribute to the music itself. So, kahit yung music kung hindi gusto ng isang tao yon, okay lang. He goes to the other area of or genre of music. So, pwede namang lampasan nyo kung hindi kaya yung klaseng tunog or yung lalawan or image na yon at lumipat sa ibang image na pwede kayong mag-connect. But the point is, most often, artists or create because they wanted to connect sa kanila, sa sarili, and then secondly, maybe because of an audience in mind.
Maybe because of
an audience in mind.
Maybe not. Kailan mag-uumpisa ito, guys?
We already had our opening last night, so it continues today until Saturday, September 24.
Okay.
And we invite everyone to, check out our Zero-In installation at the SM Mall of Asia, and we have weekend performances.
Ano yung iba with this thing? What's the different thing kesa sa going to the museum?
Yes. Well, I think for this year, kasi nga 10th anniversary namin,
Congratulations.
Salamat.
We went out of our comfort zones. So we went
going to SM.
To SM Mall of Asia because, as Chit said, or Claro said, it's really a wide demographic there, and we really want to see that demographic in the museums, not only in my museum, but in all of our museums. We do want a very active museum-going public, and
so you want to reach out.
Yes, and we're not there yet. So this is a step. This is a first phase. So we'll see what happens. But
Because, and then we also wanted for the audience na makita yung mga trabaho ng mga maestro, mga Juan Lunas, at gusto rin namin...
Meron?
Yes, yes.
Dadalhin doon?
Hindi, in the
Ay,
museum. In the museum.
Kala ko naman.
And we also wanted to present the new Juans in our country. So, para kasi sometimes, ang pagpunta sila sa museum, ang makikita lang nila ay yung mga maestro. But now, we're trying to bring forth the space that hosts the exhibitions for the new Juans.
Sorry, classic ako eh. Classic ako.
At saka, bago, kasi yung Lopez Museum, they're going to do sound?
Yun na nga eh, kita mo. For the first time also, kagaya na nga sabi ni Ms. Litas, that we went out of our comfort zone. Imagine Lopez Museum Library sound.
May sound?
Oh my gosh,
wow,
library and sound parang iba, di ba? Doesn't work. And not only that, meron siyang element of you can engage with the work na pwede mong hawakan. Tutunog.
Di ba do not touch yung mga museum na yan?
4D?
Yes,
Hindi
yes.
lang 3D? 4D pa?
Precisely. Because we wanted them to experience the work.
Experience the work. Very good. Well, thank you guys. Maraming salamat. So, from yesterday hanggang, again?
Saturday, September 24.
Tomorrow na lang. From what time to what time and where?
10 to 10, I think, ang hours
10 to 10.
ng mall hours.
10 to 10.
Yes, but please also come to our respective museums, that's Bahay Chinoy, Museo Pambata, Ateneo Art Gallery, Ayala Museum, and Lopez Museum. At Ayala Museum, we have Manga Reality, which is on the Japanese manga. So, I guess out of our comfort level.
Maraming mga pagbabago.
Gusto mga bata, yun.
Yes, it has been very popular. So.
Thank you, Dita. Thank you, Claro. Maraming salamat. So, baka wala ho kayong gagawin. Punta ko kayo sa SMX Convention Center. Tama ba ako?
No, not convention center. You go there when you want to the book fair. You go to Main Mall Atrium at
Mall Atrium.
Sa loob.
Sa loob.
Mega
Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia.
Mall of Asia. It's the center lobby there.
Yeah.
Right as you enter the main entrance.
Yeah, sige. SM Mall of Asia. And then the museums, there's Ayala, there's Lopez, Museo Pambata,
Bahay
Chinoy.
Bahay Chinoy,
Ateneo Art Gallery.
Ateneo Art Gallery. Maraming.
Basta bago kayo mamatay, at least dumaan kayo sa museum once, hindi ba? Para meron kayong culture sa katawan.
Once in your
Na
life.
masabi nyo man lang.
You go to the Vatican Museum. Look at Michelangelo.
Umpisa kayo rito.
Maraming salamat. Yan po ang Zero Win Open Call.
Todo, walang preno!